Hello, welcome to day 2 of the meditation challenge. Let's get at it. Let's start by either sitting cross-legged or lying straight down in your bed like I am. You can do either. All that matters is that your spine is straight. So I'm currently lying down on my bed without a pillow. So let's start by breathing in for 3 seconds, holding for 3 seconds, and breathing out for 3 seconds. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Breathing in through the nose. Hold. Breathe out. Breathing in through the nose into the area below the belly button. Hold. And breathe out. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. Now let's continue breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. If your mind drifts off, that's completely normal. Learning to bring it back is a part of the process. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your body may begin to feel heavier. Breathe in. We're still just warming up the meditation muscle. Great job, y'all. Thanks for joining and see you tomorrow.